The 2024 Lincoln Nautilus, a midsize luxury SUV, earns a Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. To qualify for the 2024 Top Safety Pick Plus award, vehicles need good ratings in the small overlap front and updated side tests, and an acceptable or good rating in the updated moderate overlap front test, which now emphasizes backseat safety. In addition, an acceptable or good rating in the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation is required, and all trims must come with acceptable or good rated headlights. Redesigned for 2024, the Nautilus satisfies all those requirements. All trims come with good rated headlights and a standard front crash prevention system that earns a good rating in the pedestrian test.